A plea today from the mayor and other county leaders to continue to be vigilant as our pandemic worsens locally. Good evening once again to you. I'm David Oliver.
And I'm Heather Lewis. Thanks for joining us here at 10. For the first time in a few weeks, a briefing was held to address COVID-19 in Springfield and Greene County. Our Jesse Inman was in the briefing. He joins us now to explain the biggest takeaways from that address.
Yeah, guys, good evening to you. We are well into a second wave as we head into the holiday season. The main message from those who spoke today: don't give up yet on doing your part. Springfield Mayor Ken McClure, Greene County Commissioner Bob Dixon, and Health Department Director Clay Goddard gave an update today on where we stand in regards to COVID-19 in the Springfield area. They drove home the point that we are not in the clear yet.
The news of 2 vaccines with better than 90% efficacy is so encouraging. It's the light at the end of the tunnel. But we're still in the tunnel.
Cases, hospitalizations, and deaths are all on the rise locally. Mayor McClure says he does not anticipate making another stay-at-home type of order as we saw earlier in the year, but it depends on how hospitals manage going forward.
Right now, they're going to have to be able to handle that. I think they are, but that would be, I think, a key point for us. So, again, we've got a community action to take, and we can help stop this.
A big part of getting out of that tunnel Goddard talked about is making it through the holidays. They discussed sacrifices, even some they are making themselves.
My own family's Thanksgiving plans have been altered. One dinner is not worth the risk of losing someone forever.
I'm expecting my first grandbaby. We can't do things that we might normally do. There are a lot of milestones that I'm likely going to miss in the last few months of my daughter's pregnancy. I'm not going to get some of those moments, but someday I'm going to get to sit with Emmy and I'm going to tell her stories about the year she was born. And I'm going to tell her about the sacrifices we made as a family to keep her mom safe.
Now, Mayor McClure currently has no plans to revert back to any type of stay-at-home order. He says the risk with a shutdown is the financial safety net that was there for businesses earlier in the year. They're just not there now, such as extra unemployment money, paycheck protection loans, and CARES Act funding. And Goddard says most of the spread right now is occurring at family gatherings, not really at businesses.